morning, children. How are you all? All are fine? Yes. Very good. Let us come to the topic. What is the topic name? Adaptation in plants. Children, in the previous class, we learned many things about the adaptation. What is the adaptation? What is the adaptation, children? Adaptation is special features developed by plants or animals grow in particular place. It is called adaptation. So, depending on their adaptation, we have classified two groups. One is the terrestrial plants and aquatic plants. Aquatic plants and terrestrial plants. Depending on their adaptation, we have classified two groups. One is the aquatic plant and second one is terrestrial plant. You know that, children, already we learned in the previous class what is the aquatic plant. The plants which grow in water are called aquatic plants. What is the terrestrial plant? The plants which grow on land are called terrestrial plants. See, there are three types of aquatic plants. One is floating plant, second one is fixed plant, and third one is underwater plants. See, terrestrial plants also, there are 5 terrestrial plants. First one is plants in plain. Plants in plain. Second one is plants in plains. Second one is plants in hilly areas. Third one is plants in windy region. Plants in windy regions. Fourth one, plants in desert. So, in last class we learned these things. What are the plants grow in plains? What are the plants grow in hilly areas? Which plants we can find in windy regions and in desert. Today we are going to discuss about the plants in marshy regions. Which plants grow in marshy region? Plants in marshy region. Plants in marshy region. See, marshy areas have soft wetland. Marshy areas have a soft wetland. There is a lot of water in the soil. There is a lot of water in the soil. In this area, it is a very soft and wet land. There is a lot of water in the soil. This water making soil muddy and clay and sticky. Clay and sticky. Marshy areas have soft and wet land because there is a lot of water. There is a lot of water in the soil. See, in these areas, the which plants grow in these areas, they have some adaptation, they have some special features. What are these features? Features are adaptation. You know children, different plants have different features, have different adaptation. Is it? In these areas also the plants have different features. The roots of plants grow above the soil. The roots of plants grow above the soil. Above the soil. The root cannot breathe in the water. The root cannot breathe in the water. The roots of plants grow above the soil. And absorb the gases directly from the air. The roots of plants grow above the soil and absorb the gases directly from the air. So they are called breathing roots. So they are called breathing roots. In this area, plants breathe through their roots. Plants breathe their roots. So they are called breathing roots. The roots absorb the gases directly from the air. From the air. So they are called breathing roots. So they are called breathing roots. So in marshy region there is a wet and soft land because there is a lot of water. The water makes the soil sticky and clay. In this areas, the plants have some adaptation or some features. Is it? First one is the roots of plants grow above the soil. The root cannot breathe in the water. The root cannot breathe in the water. And the root absorb the gases directly from the air. Directly from the air. So they are called breathing roots. So they are called breathing roots. Some plants such as Sundari. Some plants such as Sundari, also called mangroves. Plants grow in these areas, means in marshy regions. In marshy regions. So these are terrestrial plants. These are terrestrial plants. One is plants in plain, plants in windy region, plants in hilly areas, plants in desert and plants in marshy regions. Okay, children, I have completed second lesson. I hope you all understood the second lesson. Thank you, children.